Hey, Olathe champions. Mark Frith, as you know. Hey, let's step into a brief video on Basecamp. Just going to go over one little detail so I can keep this especially short. Yeah, I'm showing my Basecamp just so you see. Here's my project. Anytime I hit the home button, it's going to come to all the projects that I'm working on, Carly's working on, um, and a few others. So your Basecamp is tucked into our chapters and it's right there. So anytime I hit the home button, it's going to take me to all of those projects, which kind of shows you the power of this online project management tool. Here's your project. So just a brief commercial. If we go to Docs and Files, I started a Kansas Issues and Concerns file. And in here, this will be several different file folders, but Kansas Public Schools under federal investigation. Not sure if you're aware of that or not. I first learned of that in the Olathe Reporter, which, believe it or not, is an online news organization. They are soon going to print, I understand. I'm looking forward to that, but it's a subscription-based magazine or newspaper, you could call it. I first saw it there, and then I saw in and you'll see it here. If you click on that, you can read the article from earlier this week. It's the same one as the week before, so the news doesn't update all that quickly with the Olathe Reporter. And then on this one, I found I'm a subscriber to the Kansas Family Voice, which is an evangelical group. I actually is a part of James Dobson, who just passed away yesterday. He's the one that helped form many of these policy groups around the country, and Kansas Family Voice is one of those. Tell you more about that later. It's a good group of people and what they're doing. So you can read a little bit about it there if you click on that. So anyway, let's go back here. Let's go back to the home page. I just want to share that with you. Don't do anything with it. You can have a conversation about it, but it's just to make us aware of things that are going on in our own neck of the woods. Let's talk about chat. All right. The chat button here, there's really three ways that we can collect communication with each other. I'll just point them out now. Chat is one of those. The message board, which is like your congregational bulletin board where you pin things and you can put up sign-up sheets, things like that. And then pings is the third way that we can communicate with each other. Today, it's just about chat. Chat is something when you click on it, notice that you look right to the bottom there. It's pointing that out right now. You just start typing whatever it's going to be. I'm not going to do it right now because you're all going to get an email notification, and I'm not ready for you to see that just yet. Anyway, you simply chat, and the chat button is a group text thing. All right, you can't cut anybody out. It's when you want to ask a question of the whole group or make a statement to the whole group, make a reminder saying, I could pipe in here right now. Thanks for Tuesday night's meeting, Monday night's meeting. It was such a great time to be with you. And that's just a brief thing. Now, everybody's going to get a notification when you do that, so keep that in mind. Everybody will probably get an email. It's notifying them that something was shared on the Basecamp, and it may be worthy of your attention. So anyway, this is just a cool feature. It's not something that you want to put in here if you want to remember it 3 weeks from now. It gets lost in this long list of group chat, just like chatting on your phone. It's a long string of that. It's meant for quick bursts, quick questions, quick reminders, um, things like that. That's the purpose of chat. Actually, quite powerful, quite helpful when you just simply need a quick answer because then somebody's probably going to answer you or you want to send a quick reminder. That's about it. So we simply type that. What would we do? Let's just do that. And then if I hit the return button, then you would get, it would send out to everybody. And then you'd see the list also. So if we go back, if we were to do that, we would see kind of a chat listing right there as well. So that's all. That's all we need to do for today. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing well. Have a great weekend.